Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and we're going to see what comes inside the box. Now, this device here is made in Vietnam, and we're going to open up. There should be two seals at the back, so if you do not get the seals that say Samsung, just be aware, double check to see if you have a genuine Galaxy S22 series. So I'm just going to cut it open. And do not accept if seals is broken, because it might not be a genuine device. Alright, so let's open it up. And inside here, inside the black box, is the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And inside the box is the phone. Underneath that is a package right here. So there is a SIM pin at the back. And inside this box, let me see what is inside this box. So there is one USB-C cable. So this USB-C to USB-C cable. It is also made in Vietnam. And there is also a small booklet. So it shows you how you can quickly install a nano SIM card. And that's it. So that is everything inside the box. There's no earphone. There's no charger block. So you need to buy a charger block separately. You can use one from last year. Now, if you have a very old charger block, you need to buy a new one, because with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, using the latest charger from Samsung, you will be able to charge up your device a lot quicker. Now at the bottom here of the device, so down here is a charging port, and then we got the loudspeaker. The SIM tray is at the bottom as well. Now there are two pinholes right here, so we're going to try to eject the SIM tray on the first hole on the right hand side. The second one probably is a microphone, so do not push the SIM pin in that second hole right there. Okay, and then this is the S Pen, so you can, and now with the Galaxy S20, it also comes with an S Pen. So unlike last year where you don't get the S Pen, this year they included an S Pen with this Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this looks very much like a Samsung Galaxy Note series, given that now they have ended the Galaxy S Note, and no longer do they produce that device anymore. And at the back here of the device is the floating camera, unlike last year where you have the camera compartment. So you can see this is the one S21 Ultra from last year. You can see it has a large camera compartment around here. Does make it look bulky, and however, now this year they removed that compartment or the module, and now it just have a camera lens floating above, like so. Now this is a burgundy color. There are a number of different colors that you could choose from. So the phone here itself, I'm just going to switch it on. It has a 6.8 inch screen, Edge Quad HD Plus, Dynamic Amoled 2X screen. And also it has a contour cut design with a 40 megapixel on the front camera. Now at the back here is a quadruple camera setup in the rear. So it comes with 108 megapixel, and then you got 12 megapixel, and then 10 megapixel and 10 megapixel at the back here. Now on the device itself, it also has an in-screen ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and facial recognition using the camera at the front right here. Now the device comes with a default Android 12 operating system, and for the battery, it is a 5000 milliamp hour battery, and you can charge up to 45 watt using a wire charger. Otherwise, if you are using a wireless charger, it will be up to 15 watt. And again, with your Galaxy S21 Ultra, you can also provide power share to other devices. Alright, so here if I tap 2 more times, I can start QR code setup. And because I do not have a QR code setup, I'm just going to go back. And this device here has an Ip68 rating, water rating, and dust resistance with a 4 nanometer processor, and it comes with 5G connectivity. And that's it. So now once you have purchased it, you can press on the power button on the side to set up your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.